Hello, Verily Magazine readers. My name is Nicole Caruso. I am a makeup artist, a mother of two, and a Beautycounter consultant. I am also the former beauty editor of Verily Magazine from way back in the day when we were making print issues. It was so much fun. I absolutely love working with women and showing them how makeup can enhance their natural beauty. It's something that is so near and dear to my heart. I don't believe makeup should be a mask. I don't believe it should cover us and change our features. I believe it should enhance our features and just be like the same way that we wear jewelry and to make something just look even more beautiful and even more special. That's what makeup is to me. It's a way to make us shine, to make our smile look even more beautiful, to make our eyes look bigger and brighter, to frame our face with our eyebrows. Makeup is just a beautiful tool that we can use to show who we really are and to give us that little extra bit of confidence to feel beautiful and get in touch with the beauty that's already inside of us. That's one thing I love about Verily is that we celebrate who we are as women already. And we celebrate the fact that we're all starting from the same place. And I think my makeup aesthetic really fits into that very well. I love natural makeup. I love makeup that when you look at someone, they say, oh my gosh, you look beautiful, not, oh my gosh, your makeup, right? So I want to show you today how to create a really beautiful, simple, easy eye look with all Beautycounter products because they are clean, they are screened rigorously, and they are safe for our bodies. They're safe for our hormones, and it's so important to me that we have better protection in our personal care products so that we don't have to sacrifice our health to feel and look our best. So let's get started with this eye makeup tutorial. It's going to be super easy and I'll show you exactly what to do. And I know you can do it at home. It's just going to be something that'll make you feel extra glowy and bronzy as we enter into the summer months. So I'm going to start with my very favorite palette. And I have to say, being a makeup artist, I am very picky about quality and I have loved not only the colors but also the payoff and the pigment of this classic palette and all of our eyeshadow palettes. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I just take a fluffy brush, something shaped like this. And don't worry, if you don't have these exact products, just use what you have and let's work together. You can even pause the video as I'm going so that we can do it at the same time. So I just love these shades. We have like a beautiful rose gold and a gold down here, and I'm going to use both of those to create a really pretty glimmery eye. And I always start just by the lash line. It gives you more control over the pigment. Blend that in. Use this little windshield wiper motion and let the brush do the work for you. Wherever your natural crease is, just stop there and make sure the color is even over the whole mobile lid. Next, I always take a clean brush, something that's very fluffy and flexible. That way it can push the product onto the skin and make it look completely seamless, just like it's part of your skin and like it's already there. So I don't touch the makeup I just applied, I just move around the product that was on the outer edges just so it looks really blended and really natural. Then the next thing I'm going to do is take a brush that's very dense, something like this. I'm going to dip this into this gorgeous reddish toned brown called Burnished, and I'm going to take it right along the lash line. You can use eyeshadow as eyeliner and it makes it look really soft and pretty. You can even drag it out a little bit if you want to have a little bit of a wing. You can do this exact same technique with any eyeshadow colors. Just use a medium tone across your lid to give you some definition and then a darker tone on the eyelashes just to give some depth. You can already see it coming together. Okay, and the next thing that I like to do is take a smaller brush that's not as big as the one we started with and take that same shade that we're using on top and just take it right under the eye. I'm not going with a dark color here, I'm going with a very neutral tone. But what this is going to do is just enhance that eye shape and make the eyes look a little bit bigger. I just think this is such a pretty look for summer. If you want to take it one step further, you can take this shade here, which I know in the pan looks a little bit bright and scary, but it's actually just a beautiful glimmery tone that can really brighten up those inner corners and make you look a little bit more awake. Okay, and then for the last step, I'm actually going to just take our lengthening mascara. This is the Beautycounter Lengthening Mascara, and it has a nice skinny brush for getting right in there, and you're going to take the brush and get it as close to the root as possible and wiggle around. So you can do that on the top and the bottom, or just the top if that's what you're more comfortable wearing. I think adding mascara makes the look a little more elegant and finished, and you don't need a lot. You just need a little bit to just kind of tint those lashes and make them look a little bit darker. I love the Beautycounter mascara because it's not, you don't get the stiff feeling on your lashes, and they almost feel like softer after you use it. It has a little treatment inside to make the lashes just feel really soft and fluttery. And I like to take it underneath because I find it makes my eyes look a little bigger. It adds a little depth there. So if you have any questions about this tutorial or any makeup, just leave us a comment below. And as always, make sure you follow Verily Magazine. And if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, it's at @nmcaruso. I'm so happy to have done this tutorial with you guys. I hope you like it. Let me know if you'd like me to do any other ones. Leave some comments and with some ideas, and let me know if you run into any trouble. I'd love to help you and answer your questions. So I hope you have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you later.